Hi there, my name is Nicole, and today I'm going to show you how to make a button for your WordPress website or blog using the MaxButtons Pro plugin, and it's available here on maxbuttons.com for only $10. It's a very easy to use plugin that anyone can use to make beautiful buttons. So I'm going to head over to my site. As you can see, I have already installed the WordPress plugin, and I'm going to add new to create a new button. Okay, so the first thing I see is the button output window. Everything starts in the default, and so we're going to change it up and start with a general shape, which I'm going to say 120 with a height of, let's say, 38. And the next step will be to add my icon. And I'm going to grab this plug here. So once it loads, I can see that the dimensions of the icon are 30 by 30. That works out well for this button. And I don't see it, so I'm going to say that I want the icon to appear left of text, and there it is. So to center it on the button, I'm just going to add some padding to the top and to the left. And there we go. And now I'm going to change the colors and make this a monochrome button. So I'll do white as the light color and do a little bit of a gray for the darker color. Okay, I'm just copy and pasting the color codes. And I'm going to change up the border for each. Copy that. MaxButtons Pro offers you options for the hover version, so when someone holds their mouse over the button on your website, it changes. And I think the border shadow is okay. I'm also going to change the text shadow color to be the same color as my border. And I'm going to change the color of the text so that it shows up on the button. And that looks okay to me. And I want the same color for the hover version for text. Okay. I'm also going to round the corners a little bit more. Let's say about 10 looks okay. The default is 4. And now I'm ready to add my text. And I'm going to say get this plugin. Oops. Okay, so as you can see, it shows up right away in the default text, which you can't see what it is, but you can change it. So for the font, I'm going to use Droid Sans for both. And I want the top one to be normal and the bottom one to be bold. I want them both to be size 14. And I need to get rid of the padding here. 1, 2. 2 looks good. Okay. And you can just make some final adjustments just to make sure that everything looks good. But there you have the button that I'm going to use. And if I was creating a button pack of all similar buttons, I would start off by naming it, let's say, monochrome buttons, and this is going to be get this plugin. And I'm going to save that button. Then if I go back out to the buttons, there is my button, and I can see I hover over it, it changes. The button ID shortcode is right here. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to click on a blog that I've actually started, a blog post, and I'm going to paste that in. And if I go preview, my button will now appear in this article. And there you have it. That is how you create a button and add it to your blog using MaxButtons Pro Button Generator. Thanks for watching.